spinach or kale? Which leafy green is truly healthier? Let's find out. First, spinach has more iron and magnesium, great for energy and muscles. Second, kale is richer in vitamin C and K, boosting immunity and bone health. Third, both are high in fiber, keeping digestion smooth. Fourth, spinach is slightly lower in calories, perfect if you want something lighter. And fifth, kale has a stronger flavor, while spinach is softer and more versatile. So which one wins? Honestly, both are superfoods. Save this video and comment. Are you Team Spinach or Team Kale?